Alright, to print your tetrahedron, use the print icon here. Wait for this plot window to appear. First thing you need to do is select your printer. The one for color is 1204P1. You have to find a large list of printers here. After that's done, the size we're going to be using is letter, but there are a lot of other options. Just stick to letter because we only have that type of paper in the machine. For scale, since we drew it exactly 7 inches, we're going to pick 1:1 and take off fit to paper. As you can see, fit to paper makes it larger. Okay, so we'll take that off and make it 1:1. Then we want to use center of the plot, and these different settings do different things. Let me pick extents first to show you what that looks like. Under preview, there's nothing there because it's in between the two shapes of my objects over here. Remember I drew a practice one over here? If you only have this and only this, you won't have that issue. Let me go back to the plot to show you which one we're going to use. We're going to use the window option and pick the window button if this doesn't disappear. You could see the previous window I made before when I was practicing. Draw a window around your object so it encompasses the entire shape. Preview it to see if everything looks okay. I made this line disappear by making it white so it doesn't appear when I fold the object. That's why there's a gap right there as well. But you don't have to do that. You can use whatever color you prefer. You can even give the line thickness if you like. If you don't like what you see, you click apply to layout but hit cancel so you don't print anything. You go back here and edit it. If you choose to make your lines thicker, they will print thicker on the paper. So if you are ready to print and you want to preview it once again, this is going to be exactly 7 by 7 by 7 because I printed to scale, exactly how I drew it. If I choose fit to paper, it's going to get larger and will not be to scale. As you can see in this example, see how it's right to the edge of the paper? Since we want ours to be 7 inches, take off fit to paper, make it 1:1, click apply to layout, click OK, and it'll print to the P1 printer. A message will pop up on your screen that it printed correctly. And then you go to the printer and pick it up.